Hey y'all, today I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite juices. This is an antioxidant packed beet vegetable juice recipe that your family is going to absolutely love. This recipe is so good for liver detoxification, clearing out your skin, reducing inflammation. There's just so much benefits that it is crazy. And one of the best things is that this juice will not spike your blood sugar because it is not packed full of super sweet fruit. So I think this is a very friendly juice for a lot of people. So I am going to start off by vigorously washing my fruits and vegetables because I am going to be leaving on the skins. And when you do that, you definitely don't want no dirt up in your juice. All right. Now, the powerhouse of this juice is the beets. The beets are loaded with antioxidants. They also are full of beta-cyanins, which have amazing anti-inflammatory and detoxification properties. Now, I'll admit, I am not a big fan of the earthy flavor of beets. Beets are a vegetable that I really want to love, but sometimes, I just don't know how to do it. Okay. But when it is juiced and you pair it with the sweetness of these apples, the apples help to mask some of that earthiness that you get from the beets. You can use green or red apples for this recipe, or instead you can use a base of a whole pineapple. I didn't use pineapple this time because I've used it in my last two recipes, and apparently there are people that can't take the acidity of pineapple. So you pick whichever fruit base works best for you. I'm also going to juice 2 lemons. Not only is this going to add vitamin C and help with detoxification, it's going to prevent my apples from turning brown while I cut up the other fruits, and the lemon adds a nice brightness to the juice, so I definitely wouldn't leave that out. Y'all know me and ginger go way back like a Cadillac, honey. Ginger is like the number one for me. I love it in all my juices because it adds a bit of a spiciness. It's super highly anti-inflammatory. It's full of all types of antioxidants, so I love adding a good chunk of ginger. Just know that it's spicy, so just decide how much you want to use. I'm using probably about half of a cup. I have 2 fat seedless cucumbers. This is going to be also a base for my juice. I love using cucumber as a base because it is low in sugar and it's super refreshing. Now, y'all, I am not about to mess up my good cutting board on no beet. Baby, because y'all know these things will stain your cutting board. So I'm going to put down, that little cheap black cutting board, and I'm going to cut off the greens. Now, you can actually juice these greens. I'm not going to do it because, y'all, I can't stand the beet green, flavor in my juice. But if you do it, honey, you going to be, supercharged, okay, in this juice. But I'm just going to saute those separately on the side. Then I'm going to cut up the 3 of my beets, leaving the skin on, right? And I am going to add them to the rest of my vegetables and fruit. I know some of y'all are thinking, what is the spaghetti herbs doing in my juice? Honey, don't sleep on adding the parsley to your juices. Parsley has been shown to reduce heavy metals in the body. It's also full of vitamin C, and it's great for detoxification. So go ahead and add in a nice bundle of parsley. This one is organic because I've picked it straight from my garden. Y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put in about half of my fruits and vegetables into my blender, as well as some water, and I'm going to blend this up until it is pretty finely ground. While it is blending, I'm just going to throw in a couple more of the fruits and vegetables because the blender is not at its maximum level. Now, of course, you can use a juicer to do this. Y'all, I have not yet, decided to put, if I want to put out the money to get a juicer yet. I just don't know. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to keep blending until it is finely blended, and then I'm going to strain everything out with a nut milk bag. I have heard some people tell me that they actually prefer to use a blender and a nut milk bag even though they have a juicer, because the juicers are so difficult to clean. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Now, I should be using some gloves to squeeze out this juice. Y'all, I forgot to get gloves. I couldn't find none in my house. But don't worry, it did stain my hands, but I just mixed a little bit of baking soda with dish soap, and those stains came right off of my hands. I put the pulp back into the blender, and then I added in the rest of the fruits and vegetables and a bit more water, and I just blended this up again, and of course I strained it in that nut milk bag. Now, because some of these vegetables are out of season, they are not as sweet as you might think they are. So I am going to put about a tablespoon of honey in the whole entire pitcher. You guys know that I typically like to use Truvia, but people have been asking me how much honey to put, so I wanted to demonstrate for you guys. But of course, this is entirely optional, as your vegetables might be sweeter than mine, or you just may not want to do it. In my individual glass, I am going to put some extra lime juice. That's just personal preference. I just really love the brightness of the citrus. Let's get into this juice. This is like that natural purple drink, okay? You know we've been drinking colors for the longest time that ain't had no nutritional value. But honey, this is packed full of nutrients. This juice is absolutely delicious. I love to have this with my lunch just to promote some healthy detoxing and cleansing. Let me know if you are going to try this recipe in the comments. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and God bless.